Are we alone in the universe? Is the biggest question we all have. We need to find the answer to that question. Are we alone in the universe? I'm gonna be recording this show twice a week, Sunday and Thursday. Here, we're gonna analyze all the events that are around the world, either recent or past. Today, we're gonna analyze the events at El Paso, Texas. You're gonna hear me in my comments while the video is playing, and then we're gonna analyze what happened in New York, where strange lights were witnessed, photographed by different people. We need to find the truth, and we will find it together. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on Thursday, where I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna be traveling to Conklin, Alberta, to find more about the strange sounds that were heard there in January 12th of 2012. See you soon. In this first video that was sent to me from El Paso, Texas, you can see how these strange lights are falling from the sky, and they do look like meteorites. They look like I don't know, probably a space garbage or an airplane falling, something like that. Some people, that's what they thought, that it was an accident. But all of a sudden, these lights stop, and they start hovering around, following different behaviors. The strangest part, according with the witnesses, is when a fourth light appears all of a sudden, and it looks like this fourth light is commanding the rest of the lights. Here is a part of this video taken by an iPhone, and you can see how these lights are following different patterns, different behaviors. 2 days after these lights, as you can see them, something else happened in New York that is awfully similar, and that we're going to analyze in the next second video. You can see how people in Manhattan are pointing to the sky to the strange lights again. The lights that had the same pattern of behavior as the one in El Paso, Texas. When we put both videos together, we can see how these lights have exactly the same behavior, how they look exactly the same. The only difference is one was in El Paso, one was in New York, thousands of miles away, the same kind of event.